But then top, right in front of the shelf, with the macaroni and cheese. There is definitely a connection to them food there. And I have to make that reconnection as Shepherd Adonai, I say, to the food there. Yes, have to make that connection. Whisper. Let me see this.
How about Shepherd?
It's about time. I trust everything is alright.
Well, most things, but we need to talk to you.
Hold on. It look like you come in here, bring back some of my vision. So, somebody did I try to get rid of you, but you want to get rid of them. Hmm?
Yeah. My brother did not try to take down the agency. What would you do with them?
It look like you turn one major in a mine now. Tell me something. How are that the lily girl wear?
Who you that?
The lily girl were walking at the shop. What's she name? Tony Ann. How kind of nakedness that me see? Hmm? How kind of clothes that she wear?
Oh, it was a mission and that was required. She did have to wear that. You don't know what we're
No. Me don't know how phone work already. Trying to make she wear them their clothes again. It not look good.
You know you would have to talk to Bubbles about that, right?
I will talk to her soon enough about that. Wait there. In my phone.
I don't really know. I don't really know about that part.
Me never expect nothing else, you know. You know, never know nothing yet. Never know nothing yet. You don't think I yesterday, remember?
What have their foot?
No. What happened to Destiny foot?